Hello Goenkans. Today's topic is operating system. As you know, we are done last day with the topic hardware. Now today's portion is software. An operating system is an interface between a user and a computer, as we all know that. In addition to hardware, a computer needs a software function. Without a software, you cannot control the hardware of a system. Even the system cannot work. The most important software of a computer is an operating system, which is also called the system software, which controls the hardware of the computer. That operating system manages the hardware connected with your computer. The operating system provides, as you know, as I already told you, it provides an interface between a user and a computer. There are different operating systems available in the market. For example, Microsoft's, Windows, Linux, Android, etc. The operating system or this interface can be either command line user interface or graphical user interface. Graphical user interface means which displays images and pictures that allows you to interact with the computer easily. Before developing Windows 95, Microsoft were developing operating systems based on command line user interface. There was no mouse used in that command line user interface. Only the black and white screen. You have to give commands only in the disk operating systems. Now after 95, Windows developed many operating systems. For example, Windows 98, Windows Millennium, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 10 version 2. Different operating systems have been developed by the Microsoft from time to time. So the operating system is actually plays an important role. It acts as an interface between a user and a computer. Now programs and data. See, a computer is a dead machine without an operating system, because the operating system is considered as the soul of a machine or a computer. Like we humans, without soul we are dead, obviously. The computer without an operating system is considered as a dead device. Programs and data. See, I told you the operating system is considered as the soul of a computer or a machine. When you are purchasing a laptop or a computer, you need to install an operating system to make that system to work properly. And after that you want to work more with different programs and data. If you want to listen to songs, you must have a media player installed in your system. Then you will be able to listen to songs. If you want to access internet, a web browser must be installed in your computer. If you want to make documents, Microsoft Word must be installed in your system. If you want to make video calls, that video calling software, for example Skype, etc., must be installed in the system. Hence, if you want to do work in your computer, you need to install an application of that program. So that operating system and this hardware of a computer acts as a platform for those applications. And when you install an operating system, that system is ready to work. Then after, if you want to work on any application, if you want to work for making documents, I told you, from playing games, for making publications, for making presentations, for making spreadsheets, for making databases, every work is done with the help of a software. So you need to install an application software for that purpose. After that, now networks. See, all computers are connected with each other in a network. For example, I give an example. Consider a scenario where an organization has 10 employees. These employees use computers to perform daily tasks. They all need to print data frequently instead of giving each employee a printer, obviously, which would be expensive, and all computers can be connected to a single printer. We can connect a computer to other computers to share information and hardware components as well. a group of computers and associated devices that are linked together to facilitate sharing information is called a network. And for that network, you need a server and a workstation. I'll show you here the diagram of that server and workstation. See, look here, this is a server, a central repository system which controls overall network of an organization. This is storage device, this is a printer, this is scanner. These are the client workstations, means client systems connected with the server. And these clients, see, you can see that one printer is installed here, one scanner is here, and one database is here for 1, 2, 3 clients. Obviously these 3 clients are using a single printer. You can add hundreds of clients here, depends upon the topology of your network. Now you can see this is the server client topology of a network. The main computer, this is the main computer which acts as a server that provides service to other computers on the network. A server decides which computers are to be allowed to access the hardware and software on the network. And this workstation is connected to a network. You can access, or you can use a workstation to access the hardware and software of a network. Then after that, there are some communication channels which are used to make the server and these clients to communicate with the hardware which is connected with the server. So let's see those connecting channels. A connecting channel is a path or a link that connects computers or peripheral devices such as printers, hard disks, and transfer data or information within a network. Cables are commonly used as communication channels in a network. Right now we are using Cat6, category 6 of cables. Cat5 is also in the market. But networks can also transfer information through wireless communications. As you know, WiMAX 4G technology, now 5G is on the cards. But depending upon the area covered, a network can be categorized as a local area network and wide area network. So what is this local area network and wide area network? That local area network is a network which is separated in a single geographical location. For example, the network of a school, the network of a home, the network of a small shop is called local area network. And wide area network is separated over a state, over a country, over a state, over different boundaries of countries. So hence local area network means a small network which is separated over a single geographical unit, for example homes, small shop or school, etc. And wide area network contains multiple local area networks together, which covers the larger area than the local area network. That's it for the day. Thank you, Goenkans. We are on page number 62 of IT class 9th NCERT.